welcome to this tutorial series on working with the True32 website template. In this first of many video tutorials, I will show you how to log into your website admin dashboard. So I'm going to send each of you at some point when you order your website, you'll get a link to get to this page. I don't want to really put that into the video, but you're going to link to tell you how to get to it. And I actually put most of the websites one layer deeper than the root folder just to protect them from brute force attacks and things like that. But you'll get something to get you to this point. And at this point, you need to type in your username and password. You need to keep track of those. I keep all of mine in a program called RoboForm, and I'm going to use that instead of me trying to remember all of mine. And I just have the option here to come in here and say fill form and log in. And that gets you to the back end of your website. And we'll go over all of the different aspects and as many short videos as I can possibly do. I don't want to have really long videos of this stuff, so I'm going to have this little short, hopefully some 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 minute, some 10 to 15 minute videos that just explain a specific part of your website as opposed to one big long video that's hard to find what you're looking for. That's it for this video on logging into your website's admin dashboard. Next we will look at adding or editing text blocks on your website. Thanks for watching.